this video, I'm going to teach you how to sing Breathe from In the Heights. So let's sing something. La la la. Ooh, you guys, I haven't done a how to sing in forever. If you like this video and you want me to break down some other songs, be sure to comment below and let me know. I want to let you know, I got a cheat sheet. You can grab this by heading on over to my creative community and then head over to cheat sheets and click that, download it, print it out, and come on back and follow along. Verse 1. On the very first word, I want you to focus on the E vowel in breathe and not just the air. Breathe. This is my street and I smile at the faces. I want it spoken and quiet. This is my street. I smile at the faces. Gotta be short and spoken there. How do I do the speak then sing thing? If you're confused on what speak then sing is, I go over that in more detail in my creative community. That's where you get the cheat sheet, and that's also where we go over several different drills, including that speak then sing. That's where your answer is gonna be. Hey guys, it's me, the biggest disappointment you know. At the very beginning, I want you to lift your soft palate. Hey guys, it's me, in order to hit those high notes, and then stay lifted and continue forward. The biggest disappointment, you know. So that way it floats all the way across the room and you keep it lifted. Moving on, the last two, just breathe and just breathe. The very first one is short. Cut it short so that way then when we do the second one, you hold on to that E longer like we did in the beginning. Just breathe. Just breathe. Riff it out. Have fun. Moving on to verse 2. You're going to do basically the same thing. I want a little more volume and a little more sing-songy feel. So far, we've gone really quietly in dynamics, but we build up at the point of, but all seems like lifetimes ago. That's when we need those dynamics, and that's the first time that we're going to start doing our vowel hybrid. Lifetimes ago. It's got to have that big open space. All seems like lifetimes ago. If you make it too small, it won't fit. So what do I say to these faces that I used to know? By lifting up in there, we're gonna create a lifted soft palate, and you're not gonna go flat, because otherwise you probably will go flat. I'm just letting you know. Bridge time. Can we fan ourselves for the bridge? Because this bridge becomes a beast towards the end. This bridge starts off in a chest voice, and then we go into a mixed voice about halfway into it. I just did a masterclass on mixed voices, and so I know a lot of you guys are watching this video. This is the section that I want you to apply that mixed belting drills that I was talking about. You're gonna apply them here, and it actually says on the cheat sheet where to apply it. I'm the one who made it out. I am the one who made it out. Big open space sitting down into your body, especially on the one who made the grade. Open there, people. Don't get small. And then we go into her history of all the crap that she has gone through in her life to get to where she is. So when we sing this, you want to bullet the notes forward. You want to focus across the room and send it there. When I was a child, I stayed wide awake. When I was a child, I stayed wide awake, making sure those are forward, and then got every scholarship, saved every dollar, the first to go to college, and then I'm coming back home with my eyes on the horizon. That's our big sit into mixed belting all over again. I'm coming back home with my eyes on the horizon. Gotta have that big space there again. And then we go back into the spoken of just me and the GWB. Very spoken, low volume. On to verse 3. Same as verse 1, because we've taken this dynamics and now we're bringing it on back home. So everything stays nice and small until we get to, oh God. When you sing that, I want you to pop open your chest, opening that chest plate, and become vulnerable on oh God. How do I dare to say? Mixed belt. Again, this is where where you're going to apply those two drills to really help combine it. How do I dare to say, can I go in there and say? It's gotta have that mix. If you yell it, it's not gonna happen. Are we ready? We're combining it. Open chest, mixed belt. I know that I'm letting you open down. Back to spoken. Just wait, breathe. With that E vowel concentration. And I'm spent. Be sure to grab your cheat sheet. Come hang out with us in the creative community. And if you haven't checked it out yet, I did a reaction review of this video for this song. Be sure to check it out and let me know what you want me to break down next. And I will see you in the next song. La la la.